We are pleased to show you the 2022 Gladiator. The Jeep Gladiator is just the off-road truck that Jeep fans have been waiting on. Enjoy the functionality of a truck while retaining the off-road capability. You'll fall in love with this Jeep Gladiator. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, black door handles, front license plate bracket, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.